How you going, people? So this is my Dell that I took this little back place off, which gives me access to my hard drive. There was these two screws right here that connected to this plastic plate. So by pulling this back, moving the hard drive back, I can lift the hard drive out and it should come out. Okay, so this is the hard drive, and I was going to try to resolder and try to get in here and see if I get it running. A buddy of mine says, hey man, just get this Sabrent, I don't know if I'm saying it right, it's a hard drive 3.0, it's a little case, all you gotta do is stick it in there and you'll have access to all your information. I went, really? I ordered it, $8.99, pretty stinking cheap, haven't even had it out yet. There's the USB port. I probably should read the directions, but it's a guy thing. We like to figure things out. Give me a pair of scissors here. Cut this bad boy out. Alrighty. Open this up, see what we got here. Wow, that's some tough plastic. I could tear it, but this thing doesn't seem like it's very strong, so I'd rather... And I'm thinking this opens up. Maybe I'll have to pause this and read the directions. Stupid things, I can't make it where you can figure it out. How the hell is this thing open? Crap. Hang on, there's a pause in the camera. Okay, we're back. Stupid directions. Alright, so to take this thing, if you read the directions, it has to push forward and slide back. So when this is even, you have to push this little thing just enough back to where it disconnects. Like so. And to close it, you just push here, push forward, and it closes it. So to open, push back, and then it opens. Then it gives you access to this little drive. Then it says drop this little drive in and then push forward. Well, before I do that, since this is part of the computer, I need to take these little screws out. So I should probably take these out before, but you know what? It's not going to take that long. And if it blows up, I know there's somebody out there, you should have static proof gloves and you should be wearing a... Shut up, you freaking safety Sallies. Alright, so took that little back piece off now. Now it's just a hard drive. Now I'm going to take my little hard drive, and I had to measure it. This is a 2.5 inch hard drive, which is what the box is. I ordered for 2.5, and I know it was 2.5 because if you measure it, it's like 3.7 this way and almost 4 inches this way, and that means it's a 2.5 inch drive. So then you take this little case here, you can see the wires there, you set it down to where these little contacts are going to go in here. They said you drop it in here, and then once you drop it in, you push it forward. I don't know if that little thing's supposed to be there or not. I guess it is. That doesn't look like it's making contact. I'm thinking this little, it's got to go in this little ledge here. And I'm trying to, but it's got this little foamy thing in the back here, which I think holds it in. Maybe if I get a, let me get a little flat screwdriver and mash that little foam in, see if that works. I know there's so many freaking experts out there that are telling me I'm doing this wrong. And once it's in here, Now it feels like it's connected because it's not falling out. Then I put my little cover back on it, push it forward like so. Oh, notice the little groove there? I pushed it forward without making that. It only seated on one side. So let me make sure that gets good and level when I push it forward. There we go. And it's solid. And now I'm thinking one of these little ends go in here. They might be the same thing. Might be USB to USB. That one goes in there. And this should go on my computer, and we'll see if it works. Okay, plugged it in, and man, this is freaking brilliant. I plugged it in. It's got a little on-off switch there to turn it on or off. Turn it on, plugged it in. All my files came right up. Freaking amazing. Open this up. Come over here to PC. F drive, all my documents, all my pictures, everything that I thought I lost is right there, baby. I freaking love it. So these little things are a lifesaver. I don't know why anybody would get rid of one of their computers and leave the hard drive in like this. Now I have, I don't know what the properties are on there. Let me see how big this disk drive is. This disk drive is used space 322 gig, free space 128 gig, and the whole hard drive is 451 gig. Now I've got another 451 gig external hard drive. I mean, that's just freaking great. I've got another Odell up top that I've been keeping because I didn't want to get rid of my hard drive. Now I got to go see what size the hard drive is. I'll get another one of these. Now you don't have to get another one of these. They're only $8 or $9. I can just take this hard drive out and put the other one in. So you can just have one case and have multiple hard drives that you stick in. I'm going to order me another one once I figure out the size of my Dell upstairs, my old Dell, probably 15 years ago. And I'm going to take the hard drive out of there. And I have all that information too. So great tip. Thanks, Matt. Didn't know they had these. I'm sure a lot of people knew they had them, and I'm probably the only dummy out here that didn't know you could take your old hard drive out and stick in a piece of plastic, and now you have an external hard drive, and nobody gets to get your data. Now I can dump this other computer. If anybody wants this memory or wants this Dell, let me know in the comments, and we'll work some out. I mean, it ain't got a hard drive, and I don't give a shit. I don't want. It still works. Or if you fix the power supply, it'll still work. I think this one's a little bit bigger. I think it's a 17.5. I'm not sure what this one was. Pretty close. But I think I had to replace the keyboard once or twice because I wore the letters out. But other than that, if somebody wants that Dell with the memory and all that, let me know in the comments, and I'll get back with you. And freaking this external hard drive is the neatest thing since sliced butter. I freaking love it. Highly recommend it. Works great. Gave me all my info back. Alright, we'll end that there.